Hello everybody and welcome back. I am going to do a video about AliExpress. I've ordered from AliExpress quite a few times already, and basically what I wanted to do, I got some little bit of toys for my son. He opened them. I'm not going to do a video on that, but this video I'm opening up, I've basically got almost everything that I ordered on AliExpress. I waited anywhere from 2 to 3 or 4 weeks to get everything. So what I basically ordered, this video is basically going to be on AliExpress items inside a Target box. But this AliExpress items, so much stuff that I can't even fit myself in the video. So this is it. I'm going to show you each one by one. Some stuff for like 20 cents, and this basically, I'm using that word a lot. Basically, this stuff is nail stuff. I ordered $40 tops on nail stuff. I wanted to do my own artificial nails, do it myself. This video is just going to be on what I got from AliExpress. And I'm going to try to remember how much they are because I don't have my phone on me. You know what? I should get my phone. Let me get my phone. I'll be right back. So boom, check it out. I got my phone. You like it? Look at it. I did a video on my phone somewhere in my channel. It was recent. It was like a couple of videos ago. But it's basically a fresh bottle. It doesn't really spray, but it's all silicone. It's my fave. It's my new phone case. So I got my thing. I got my AliExpress app. This is where I bought it from. Some stores you're not able to buy it unless it's from the app itself. So I got it just here. I'm gonna go to my orders so I can see how much everything was. I actually ordered some electric toothbrushes for like $16 each. Okay, so first things first. Let's see. I ordered. It was mostly nail stuff and then like random stuff here and there. So the first thing, let's open this thing up. First thing I have is this little nail jewelry. It is a single grill. It was $3.26. It's like really small. Do you see it? That's what it is. Comes with this impression thing, like I don't know, I have to read the directions, but I believe you make an impression on your tooth. It's supposed to go like this and go. Oops. It's supposed to go right in the middle of your tooth. Don't ask me why I got this, but and here it is. These are little, it comes in this little tiny package. It's so cute. Look, little tiny box. See? These are my little rhinestones, and it comes with a sticky wax pencil. These are to put on my nails when I want to do rhinestones. And that was $3.03. This has to be here. This is the acrylic brushes. This was $1.55 for these three, $1.55. I had gotten these things. It's little tiny, really thin brushes to do designs and stuff. And they gave me a little freebie. This. So this was 87 cents. And there's nothing in there. Oh, here we go. This is my little baby foot peel. So my feet could peel, have its skin peel off and be baby smooth. Sounds great, right? Everyone says it's so satisfying. $1.81. This I seen in the store for $20. I'm not joking. Next is these nails. I ordered these the pointy ones. I forgot what they were called. Darn it. Well, I know these are coffins. These are a pack of coffin nails. Ballerina coffin shape, 600 for $369. Then I had gotten the stiletto, 100 piece for $249. Didn't get that yet. The next thing I got was these gel nail polishes. These had great reviews, and look how they package it. They package it so nicely in these little compartments. I bought tons of different colors. I got a top coat, base coat, matte coat, colors, all beautiful colors. I had a couple colors. All in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 came out to $14. This is a chrome powder polishing for nails, 48 cents. And then I got these. These are strip nail tape. Like if I want to make lines, tape lines is really thin. Tape lines for my nails. These two were 29 cents each, came out to 58 cents. I got a UV lamp too. Set all these things together. This was $6.36. Woo. Oh, this is cute. I guess they give you free little nail decals, flower nail decals, which I probably won't use. Comes with instruction manual, which is cool and handy. They wrap it in here, and this is it. This is the UV light. It's simple. I got continuous 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 36 watt, and it's a USB style. I got some nail glue to glue on my nails. A pack of 10 for 10 minis for $1.42. I got this, the acrylic and the solution. This is the solution. Oh, it smells so crazy. So it's like in this little tiny bottle thing. I didn't open it yet. It smells. Then they gave me this free little glass jar. A little glass jar to put the solution in. And then it came with a free brush. Oh, not a free brush. It came with it. A brush, an acrylic brush. And these are the 3 acrylics. I think it's white, pink, and clear in 3 little tubs. I thought it was a little bigger than this, but it's fine for like $7.81. You can't go wrong. This is the last thing I have. These are I wanted to get some professional nail filers. They're $1.04 for 3. That's it. We're done. I wanted to do the video now, start opening the stuff because I wanted to do my nails. I am missing my silicone AirPod case because I just got AirPods recently. I did a video on that as well. I love my AirPods. I got a case for 95 cents. My mom got hers for like $7. And I got my son some food for his kitchen set. It was like 31 pieces for $11.80. I got a little fish, blah 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 blah. It's such a good buy, and I'm very happy with everything. If you have patience, and everything was free shipping, free shipping. Marvelous. I love free shipping. The only downfall with AliExpress that I have to say is the wait time. You have to wait, like I said, anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, the most 4 weeks. And I have never had a problem with AliExpress ever with any damages or anything, but if there is, I'm pretty sure that if you take a picture and send it to them and talk to them, they'll send you another one, and you just gotta wait for it. But I'd highly recommend AliExpress if you want to cut out the middleman and basically just pay a good price for these items that basically would jack up here in the United States because of import fees or whatever. I don't even know, but I give thumbs up to AliExpress. If you want to check out AliExpress, I will leave the link down below. I think they're doing this thing with new customers, gets a $4 coupon. I don't know if they're still doing that, but if there's any coupons or anything, I will drop it down below. Be sure to check that out. I basically compare AliExpress to Wish. So if you shop at Wish, it's basically like AliExpress. the video is over. I have opened everything. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see more of me, and thumbs up if you like the video to support my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.